Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Every year, I count down the days for summer to start. And this year, I have become addicted to being on the water because of this Niphean stand-up paddleboard. I would spend absolutely every day out paddling if I could. I love how solid, stable, and durable this board is. It's so easy to maneuver, and even for someone like my husband, who is a complete newbie when it comes to using a SUP, he was able to stand up right away and be able to paddle through even those strong gusts of wind that we were getting out on the lake. It's so lightweight, it folds up easily and fits into this awesome little carrier that came with it. And because it's so easy to move around, that makes me want to take it out because I know it's not going to be a huge ordeal for me to bring it out, blow it up, and put it on the water. The foam on the padding is really thick and soft on your feet. And even though the board, of course, gets wet, it's non-slip, so you're not going to be sliding around. I just love the design on this board. It has that old school surfer look to it, and it just makes me super happy to take it out and paddle around. When you're using the hand pump to inflate the board, don't give up if you don't see the gauge moving. Trust me, this board is really well made. The seams are very tight and it can handle a lot of pressure. So keep pumping until you see that gauge move. It's going to take a while. You definitely want that much pressure inside the board because that's what makes it stable to stand on. Now, I'm 5'4", 130 pounds. My husband is 6 foot and 190 pounds. And this board was able to support both of us really well. I can tell this is going to be the best summer ever because I have this Niphean stand-up paddleboard. I definitely recommend checking it out, and that's my point of view.